Welcome. Today we will solve the coding problem, shortest path with alternating colors. This is an interesting variation of a standard graph traversal problem that tests your ability to adapt standard algorithms to fit specific constraints. Let's define the problem. We are given a directed graph with n nodes. The edges in this graph are either red or blue. Our goal is to find the shortest path from node 0 to every other node in the graph. The result should be a list of distances. The twist is the constraint on the path. You cannot travel along two edges of the same color consecutively. If you take a red edge, the next edge must be blue, and vice versa. An alternating sequence like red, blue, red is valid. Red, red is invalid. Typically, when finding shortest paths in an unweighted graph, we use breadth-first search, or BFS. In standard BFS, once we visit a node, we mark it as visited and never process it again. However, this approach fails here because arriving at a node via a red edge might allow different future moves than arriving via a blue edge. To solve this, we need to expand our definition of a state. Instead of just tracking the current node, we must track the current node and the color of the edge we used to arrive there. This means we can visit the same node twice, once arriving from a red edge and once from a blue edge. Look at this example. Path 1 goes from 0 to 1 via red, then 1 to 3 via blue. This is valid. Path 2 goes from 0 to 2 via blue, but the next edge to node 3 is also blue. This is invalid because colors must alternate. Let's set up our algorithm. We will use a queue for BFS. We initialize it with node 0. Since we start at node 0, we can theoretically move to either a red or blue neighbor first, so we can treat the start as having arrived from neither, or add both possibilities to our queue. In our main loop, we pop the current node and the color of the previous edge. If the previous edge was red, we only look for neighbors connected by blue edges. If the previous edge was blue, we only look for red neighbors. We then update the distances and push valid moves to the queue. Here is a snapshot of the execution. We are at node 1, having arrived via a red edge. The algorithm checks neighbors. It sees a blue edge to node 2, which is valid, so we push node 2. It also sees a red edge to node 3, but we ignore it because we cannot follow red with red. The time complexity is big O of V plus E, where V is vertices and E is edges. Even though we can visit nodes multiple times, we only visit each edge at most twice, once for each color. The space complexity is also proportional to the size of the graph. To wrap up, this is a BFS problem. The core challenge is the alternating constraint. By tracking the last edge color in our state, we can correctly find the shortest alternating paths. This technique of expanding the state is useful for many constrained pathfinding problems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.